Beer Champ Barbecues, happy Thanksgiving. We're deep frying a bird with Uncle Steve's Shake Competition Bird Powder. First time ever deep frying a bird. Let's give it a shot. So I got a King cooker outside, and she's roaring. Peanut oil is getting up the temp. We're about ready to drop this bird right here. Injected with turkey stock, a stick of salted butter, and some Uncle Steve's Competition Bird Powder. Stirred that up, injected the bird. Oh hell yes. I'm gonna drop that in that hot oil in just a moment.
Give me a hell yeah!
Very slow. Pretty damn excited. Big Lou said don't be drunk. Good tip, Big Lou. This is only like my fifth. Friggin' excited. Oh hell yeah. That's awesome. I'm going back outside, drinking some brew, and I got about an hour on that 20-pound. It's about 19-pound bird. Oh hell yeah! Cheers, folks. Happy Thanksgiving.
I said give me a hell yeah! Give me a hell yeah!